play of Smash Slime of the given, which you can see, right? Smash Slime. So this is a very slimy video. But before we start up the video, make sure you guys comment, subscribe, like, and especially share and turn on the notification bell so that you do not miss any video. So let's just go to Smash Slime. It's just right there. Okay, I gotta turn my camera. Okay, so yeah. It's loading. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 89 in a hurry. Okay, let's go here. We're gonna be playing games. So we're gonna be starting from this game down to up this one. Okay. Okay, this is super easy. Okay. Oh, oh, this looks like a house. Like, oh, this is so boring game. I'm gonna go back. Bye, gamey. Okay, let's try to play the new one, which has a new written on it. Oh my god, what is this like? Okay, yeah. Ooh yeah, added it once again. One more. Just do it. Ooh! No! Tap restart. Fine. Like, when there was the first, like, I was like, what? Okay, I only have 3 left, and right now I'm doing... No! We go to this one. Oh, why? Checking there. What's an ad? Ed. Sorry for giving out an ad. Okay, I want to do it. No! It's just an ad. Okay, fine. I'll just watch it. What? Why is it going like down like a river crossing? It's not a joker or a monkey. La. I'll never play it now. Okay, you know what? I hate it. Why? So if you guys do know this game, right now install it. Yeah. I'm still on level 43. Why is it so hard? I'm gonna play the next game. Okay, this is okay. It's too easy for me. Okay, you do not need to just step on these orange thingies. Okay, fine. Yeah. Okay, fine. Pencils. Okay, what is this called? Oh, we can also make slime. Oh yeah, who did these 3? Especially my brother did it. Let's make it. Okay, it can be a glossy, it can be a movie. Okay, I'm gonna do a watery kind of. Mix. Okay, fine. Fine. Mix. Oh. What's happening to the slime? What? Hello? Oh. Why did it turn just black? Fine. I'll just do this color. Okay. This all or lot? Are you kidding me? Okay, I'm gonna do this kind of color. What? There is no color coming? Why? No color? Mix. What? Okay. I'm out of this. Okay, what just happened? Okay, let's go back to the app. Okay, what is this? And no. Okay. What are these? They're just slimes. I really don't want to do that. Oh. Let's make a slime. Like, yeah. No. Let's just play. No. Why is this episode burning settings? Feature slime. Draw. Okay, fine. Use your whole thing. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and yeah, bye. So guys, bye. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye. Bye.